Hi there, and welcome to the MetaTailor YouTube channel. This video is part of our educational series where we're going to be highlighting and focusing in on specific items in MetaTailor to show you how to use this program to its full potential. Today, we're looking at importing accessories. So make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and let's jump right into it. All right, here we are in MetaTailor with a character already loaded, an avatar already loaded. So let's go ahead and go up to import. You can find that on the top left where you see the little home button, design, and import. Once we click on import, it gives us three options: cloth and accessory, assembly, and avatar. Today we're focusing on a cloth and accessory. Note that these can be FBXs, OBJs, MTAs, GLTFs, or GLBs. All of mine today are .FBXs that I prepared in Maya. So let's go ahead and open up our cloth and accessory and click on necklace right here. I'll go ahead and hit open. It brings up the actual item itself. And it shows you a couple things about it. What is the name of this? What are the meshes that are included with this? This FBX is technically 3 separate meshes. It shows you all the different materials, which this could be all the different UV layouts as well. If you have multiple UVs on an object, this can show you where to apply those and create whatever colors and textures you need. This one comes in with all the colors already applied, really basic. I believe they're Fongs or Lamberts on this item right here. That is just super basic, black, white, and yellow. So I don't need to mess with my hue, saturation value, smoothness, or metallic, or add any texture maps. I'm just going to go ahead and hit next step. Then I'm going to choose what I want this to be, consider what kind of category I want this to fall under. And this one's going to be an accessory. If you want to, you can hit keep source dimensions, which brings it back to its source dimensions, but I don't want to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit next step. After hitting next step for an accessory, all it asks you to do is kind of place it and scale it. So I'm going to scale it down a little bit, bring it up a little bit for something simple like this. Maybe scale it down even more. If you watched our live streams or you follow along with the channel, you'll know for anything on the head, I like to try to aim for the neck. I use my neck as my biggest point of connecting anything to the body as a guide for making sure anything fits properly. All right, just kind of getting this into place. I think I'm going to zoom it out that way and zoom it in this way. Maybe rotate it back a little bit. And there we go. Let's go ahead and hit confirm. And next step again. Now it's going to ask you specifically for accessories. It doesn't do this with other items. Before accessories, where do you want to place it? And this is kind of asking you what bone, the bones in this rig are hidden, what bone do you want to attach this to? And I kind of want to attach this accessory right about there. So if I click right about there, I can make my adjustments and edits to this necklace afterward. But you can see it's attaching it to spine too. So now I can move it back, get that into place, kind of matching how we had it before, and that's looking pretty good. All right, there we have it. Oh, we kind of move it over to the left a little bit. There we go. And hit confirm. And once you start adding other clothing and elements, you can keep working on this to make sure it is layered properly, but that is how you can import an accessory. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this either answered a question or taught you something new about MetaTailor, because it's such a powerful program that has so much potential that you are able to do everything you need to do within it. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. And that's it. Get out of here. Go get dressed. Bye, everybody.